Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the best websites from where you can learn Internet of Things, which is also called IoT. IoT is rapidly growing field in information technology. So if you are a beginner or if you want to learn skill in computer sciences, I recommend you must go for IoT. So IoT is used over the world. So, as you know, our video format, first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and then check the demand and skill of check the demand and competition of the skill, and then we will go towards our website from where you can learn the particular skill. So, guys, let's go towards fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplace from where you can sell your services online and people buy it. I search for IoT. As you can see, only 1087 services available. It means that it has low competition. Let's open some of the gigs. Fiverr choice. Let's check out these gigs one by one. So the first gig is Asif Ahmed from Denmark. I will do Arduino, ESP code, circuit simulation of any electronics IoT projects. 51 order completed. The first in basic package he charged $45 and give electronic 101 below 70 lines, 5 lines of code. After that standard he charged $95. After that premium he charged $170. Good. You can also check his bio and read about his gig description from where you can get an idea. So I will open the next gig, which is Udara K from Sri Lanka. I will do Arduino programming, IoT projects, and robotic simulations. Basic $90, in which he provide a code with 2 to 4 modules, serial communication, if any. After that, $290 standard package, a project with 4 to 8 modules, serial communication, wireless communication. In premium, he charged $490, a project with modules up to 10, serial communication, wireless communication. Good. You can also check out his gig description to make an idea and make your own. Do not copy his description. Fiverr will de-rank your gig. The last but not the least, Numan S from Germany, and he got 140 5-star reviews, 697 orders completed, and his basic package is of $1,200. Great. Preliminary research and prototype. In standard prototype development, I will make a complete prototype of your IoT product or prototypes of smaller parts of the product. $1,500 premium, 3,500. So he is an expert freelancer. So I open his his profile, and as you can see, he got 10 gigs, and almost on every gig he charged good amount of money. So he also worked with Rosie.pk and IBM. IBM is a big company. So I think Fiverr part is over now. So let's go towards our websites. So guys, the first websites from where you can learn IoT is iotforall.com. iotforall.com, where you can learn about the news, articles, solutions, and tutorials. And also they have a community from where you can learn information technology. Internet of Things. So you must have to visit this website IoT for all if you want if you are interested in learning Internet of Things. The second website is Art, Arduino.com. Sorry, I do not pronounce it well, but this website is basically official website. You can say in this website you can get documentation of Arduino. You can get the complete tutorials, and I personally recommend this website because this is official websites, and yeah, you can learn Arduino from here. you can learn the complete Internet of Things from Arduino. So that's it. The second website, and the third is last but not the least, Microsoft official website, from where you can learn Azure or IoT documentation. These are the complete documentation and tutorials from where you can learn Internet of Things. So this is our third website. I hope you like the video, and I think that's it for today. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.